guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my September favorites. I only have a couple, and also I'm going to show you guys some candles I recently picked up from Bath and Body Works. They had a sale, and it was like, I think they're still having a sale. Everything was like, the 3-wick candles were like $10 off, and they're usually $24.50, so they were $14.50 during the sale. And I also got free shipping at that time. First favorite I have is this foundation. It's the Makeup Forever HD, what is this? Ultra HD foundation. And I had this in the stick formula a while ago, but I wanted to try the liquid and see how I like it. And I like it. I've been using it a lot lately. The second favorite is eyeliner. It's from Inglot, and it's in the color 77. I just found out about this eyeliner, but it's so pigmented. Like, I've been looking for an eyeliner that's just like black, white black, and this eyeliner is the bomb. I got it off of eBay for like $18, but you can also get it from like Macy's or I think Amazon. I think Inglot sells it on Amazon. Third favorite is actually a perfume. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs, and it comes in a little flower package. And this was actually a gift from my best friend. She had more than one, and she decided to give me one. So yeah, this smells amazing, and it's like the only thing I wear. Like, it's the bomb. So the first thing I picked up, oh, I also have this Kat Von D. Ooh. Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got this off Sephora because it was on sale. It's just a dark, is it like purple? I think it's like purple. Yeah, it's like a purpley, brownish looking color. Just a vampy lip color, and since it is fall, I love to wear dark lips in the fall, so that's why I got this. This was on sale as well, I think for like $13. So I got that. I also picked up a beauty blender in this little thingy. I think it's supposed to be an ornament, but it comes with the beauty blender plus the beauty blender cleaner. Same price, $20 as the normal one by itself. So I decided to get that off Sephora as well. Now for the candles, I picked up, first of all, this one, Mahogany Teakwood. This is an all-time favorite. I haven't even burned it yet because I still have another one, but this is like my all-time favorite scent. I love this scent. I cannot get enough of it. Like, I will literally burn this every day, this smell, and I would not get tired of it. Like, I had the lotion, the body wash. I bought my boyfriend like the lotion and stuff as well because I just love the smell of it. Mahogany Teakwood, all-time fave. Now for me, when it comes to like fall, I love the fall weather, but I cannot stand like the smell of pumpkin spice, like pumpkin, cinnamon, all that. I don't like the smell of that at all. So I decided to try out something different this fall instead of just like, you know, normal scents. Like, I like vanilla. I usually get like vanilla scented stuff, but I decided to actually try out, you know, like the stereotypical fall smells. So the first one I got is called Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow, and as you can see, I've been burning it like crazy since I got it, and it smells like what I don't like. I hate marshmallow. I don't like the pumpkin smell. I don't like cinnamon, and it smells like all that mixed together. But for some reason, when it burns, it smells so good. Like, I love it. And like I said, you can see I've been burning it a lot already, and I just got it. But this has become one of my favorites. Oh, it says it has Tahitian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, drizzled caramel with essential oils. That's the fragrance notes at the bottom of the candle. So yeah, pumpkin spice, I don't like that. Marshmallow, don't like it. I don't like caramel either, but the combination actually smells good to me. So this is one of my faves now. And the next candle, which is the last one I picked up, is, because the thing is, I usually have to smell stuff before I buy it, so I just went out on a whim and bought these, you know, like, just like I said, trying something different. But I really want to go in store and get some more, because I think the sale is still going. If not, I'm pretty sure they'll have another sale, because they always do. But the last candle I got is called Welcome Home. And I like this one as well. It is one of those fall, typical fall scents. But the fragrance notes for this one says cinnamon sugar, warm apple butter, clove buds, brown sugar with essential oils. So once again, stuff that I don't like, but mixed together it does smell good. Like, it really gives your, like, it really gives you like the fall vibe. When I light it, it just puts me in a good mood. I don't know, like, there's just something about fall that just makes me happy. But that is it. I think that's it. Just a quick little video, y'all. School has been keeping me extremely busy. I have not had time to record anything. I don't have time, like, I don't even wear makeup on the weekends. I have makeup on now because I went to church. I just got back not too long ago, but I have not had time to do anything but schoolwork and be a mom. Like, that's literally it. I just fall asleep randomly in random spots in the house, and once I'm out, that's it. Like, I don't have any extra time to sit here and film a video. Like, every now and then I'll try to film one on my phone or something, but I hate editing on my phone. Export the video and like email it and all that. I mean, I have tried uploading it to YouTube and that took way too long. Like, I'd rather do it off my camera or like on my laptop, so I can just set the laptop somewhere, because like when you're uploading on your phone, you can't use the phone, or it stops, or at least that's what it did in my case. Hopefully I'll be able to get more videos up. If not, then now you know why. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, comment below, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching.